Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video where we'll be comparing two amazing Canon cameras. We have the Canon EOS M200 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. Before we dive into the comparison, make sure to like this video, comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Alright, let's get started. Starting with the price, the Canon EOS M200 comes at a price of $549, while the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit is priced at $999. It's important to note that the EOS R50 Content Creator Kit offers additional accessories and features, which justifies its higher price point. When it comes to autofocus capabilities, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS M200 features fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit takes it a step further with dual-pixel CMOS AFE that covers up to 100% by 100% area and incorporates deep learning technology for auto-subject detection and tracking. In terms of image quality, both cameras deliver stunning results. The Canon EOS M200 boasts a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, while the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor along with a Digic X processor. You can expect crisp and vibrant images from both cameras. Looking at video capabilities, both cameras offer 4K video recording. The Canon EOS M200 allows for 4K video and 4K time-lapse movie, while the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit provides 4K uncropped movie at up to 30 FPS oversampled from 6K. Additionally, it offers full HD high frame rate movie at up to 120 FPS, perfect for those creative shots. Both cameras come with LCD screens and built-in connectivity options. The Canon EOS M200 features a 3.0-inch touch panel LCD screen with a tilt option for 180 degrees, which is great for selfies. It also has built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi technology for easy image transfer. Similarly, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit comes with a compact LCD screen and also offers built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi technology for seamless connectivity. And that's a wrap for our comparison between these two fantastic Canon cameras. Each camera has its own strengths, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. Let us know in the comments which camera you prefer and why. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.